So day number 2, we just took care of the bell ringer, and of course that related to unit number 1. What do you remember about the 3 civilizations that we started off with? Today we'll look at the slideshow. Yesterday, of course, we looked at the study guide. So today we'll look at the slideshow. And I added this announcement at the top of the module. You can see it says we're going to be ending the course. There's this part of the course anyway. There's no unit 5 and 6 tests, but we'll have a midterm that will count as a unit test and half the final exam. Questions will be from units 1 through 6. So you can also, as I said before, complete any makeup work for units 1 through 6. And online students, since they're not here in class, they'll have to bring in their government books on Monday and pick up an economics book. But since you are here in class, technically you could turn it in now if you wanted to, but any time now through Monday, bring in your government book, and we will pass out the economics books on Monday. And the slideshow is the 3rd item, I guess 4th item down if you include that announcement. And there you can see it says, click on this template, and it has the directions there, but they're also on the actual slideshow. So you'll be prompted for a copy. In this one, the title, make sure you put a picture in this box here and place your name down below. And then each of these relates to one of the units. So for instance, this first slide will be from Unit 1. So you just come up with the 5 most significant things from Unit 1 that you feel are the most important. And just down below here in the notes view is type 3 to 5 sentences explaining why you think those are the most important points. And then you put a picture right over here. So this would be on Athens, Rome, and England. And this next one is creating America. Same thing. It's from Unit 2, though. And so this would be about the Articles of Confederation and Constitution. And the executive branch, legislative, judicial, and the last one, which we covered, was politics in America. And the last one would be sources. It just adds you to add a citation page. Since most of the information we have comes from the textbook, you can just go to this website that's on here and go through the steps to add the textbook to it by going to the book tab. So you would, for instance, click on this website here, which will eventually load. Click add citation and then book. And then you can just type in Magruder government, and that should be good enough. Yep, you can see it's the first one there. And then there we go. There it is. And you can just click on that. Oops, right click on it, excuse me. And copy bibliography entry, and then just add that on this last slide here. Get rid of the directions and add that citation. So that would complete the slideshow, and that is your project for this review week. And it's worth 100 points, so it's worth more than the other ones. And that will also help you study for the midterm. It will help you go over all of the units, so that way you're better prepared for the test. And then also the review games will play the second one here halfway through class. And then the actual midterm will take place on Thursday. It's divided into 2 parts once again. The essays are the second part.